Hello, everybody. It's Lynnis, and welcome to Lynnis Minutes. I hope everybody had
anion product. A product, negative ions come from lightning strike, and we do not want to.
And it's really because I have a three-part framework or process called exploration.
some quick tips, tools, and techniques that are going to aid you in midlife. The other one is make yourself a priority. Oh my gosh, this is so huge for me because I think we put off things that we could be doing to help us feel better. Oh, I'll do it in a minute. Oh, I'll do it tomorrow. Oh, okay, I meant to do that. And these are things normally for ourselves. We remember everybody else's to-dos, our children, our husbands, our friends, our jobs, all those get done. But somewhere along the way, we kind of fall off our to-do list, and it's not on purpose. But we have a tendency to be selfless. We have a tendency to, say, okay, tomorrow, definitely tomorrow, I'm going to, and we procrastinate. It's interesting that we would procrastinate or put off something that's going to help us feel better. But a lot of times we do that. So make yourself a priority. And I know that my friend Carolyn could definitely attest to that. Hey, Carolyn.
Hello, everyone. Good morning. For Monday, Miracle Monday, let's just expect some miracles coming into our lives today.
Oh my God, I need some miracles, Carolyn. This is Carolyn McGraw. She is my partner and my friend, my spiritual guru when it comes to keeping myself together. And we've both been working together on the Hope and Wellness virtual retreat. And she was just talking about what she was doing to kind of continue to make herself a priority. We found out we were both fasting at the same time. We didn't know that. But then she was talking about how she was looking forward to her bath. Tell us about the bath that you did for yourself.
Oh, yes, I do a detox bath with Epsom salts, 2 cups of Epsom salts. I put some essential oils. I love lavender, mix it in with and then light a candle, set some intentions to release and let go. The Epsom salts does so much good, hydrate you, lower blood pressure, and detoxes you. So you can make an intentional emotional and physical detox with Epsom salts.
Okay, see, and you made yourself a priority to do that. I know you probably had to figure out a time and try to get everybody else in the household quiet down. I mean, it takes a little effort to make yourself a priority, but how much better did you feel after you did that?
Oh, it rejuvenates you when you do that, and then you have more to give to your children, to your spouse. And I really love, and I tell my clients this, I'm still working on it for me, and I'm telling you, Lynnis, take a me day, take a day off. Tell everyone, go in your bedroom and do the things you love to do. If it's lounging, resting, getting a massage, schedule that in every week. A me day, a little mini vacation, because that I've seen people share that with me, and their business actually tripled because They worked less. They gave to themselves, nurturing themselves.
And that's so important. Thank you for saying that, because you're absolutely right. I'm going to actually schedule the me day and schedule special things. I think I have a facial coming up soon. So that will probably be part of my me day for sure. And I think that, the procrastination piece is really interesting when it comes to doing something nice for ourselves. It almost seems like we feel kind of guilty about taking that time. But someone very wise told me, my aunt, she's 87 years old, and she said, Lynnis, if you don't show up for yourself, eventually you're not going to be able to show up for everyone else. And she's absolutely right. So you definitely need to make yourself a priority, which is one of the reasons why I feel very strongly about this.